Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious Madeleines made at home, perfect for your coffee or your tea. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and sweet Madeleines, these are my ingredients. I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 stick of unsalted butter, vanilla paste or vanilla extract, whatever you have at home, 2 room temperature eggs, 1 cup of all-purpose flour. This is everything you need to enjoy a delicious and amazing homemade Madeleine at home. So let's get started. First things first, getting ready the wet ingredients. I have here 2 room temperature eggs, measuring with my heart the vanilla paste, 1 tablespoon of honey, and I am going to whisk and incorporate really good to make this amazing Madeleines. And here I am going to continue by adding the unsalted butter, 1 whole stick. I'm going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar, and then I'm ready to sift my all-purpose flour, my pinch of baking powder, and my pinch of salt, and I'm going to incorporate. This mixture is going to go into the refrigerator for about 1 hour. I want this to firm so that my Madeleines come out so delicious and so fluffy. So now I am going to put them in a little baggie, and I'm going to take it to the refrigerator. And like I said, this mixture needs to be in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. Getting ready my mold. I'm going to spray a little bit in every cavity and then taking it to the refrigerator for 1 hour. Look at this. You want to make sure that you do this process. Your Madeleines are going to come out so fluffy and so delicious, golden brown. And now I am ready to start filling the cavities after 1 hour. This is going to be so delicious and so amazing. When they come out of the oven, they're going to be so fluffy and so moist. Preheat your oven 350 Fahrenheit, and they're going to go in the oven for 10 minutes. No more than 10 minutes. Look at this. And look at the process, how fluffy they are going to become. 10 minutes, I am ready to take them off of the mold, and look how beautiful design. Look how fluffy and chunky they are. This is exactly how you want your Madeleines, to enjoy them with a tea or enjoy them with an amazing homemade coffee. Look at this. Look at the texture inside. Really fluffy, really moist. And of course, the best thing is that it's made at home with lots of love. Look at this. Just perfection made at home. I am ready for the presentation. Like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in just a little bit. Come and make these amazing vanilla Magdalenes at home. Look at this. So moist, so tender, so fluffy. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. So delicious. My friends, I am completely done with these delicious and amazing vanilla mandolins that I know you guys are going to love. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these delicious vanilla mandolins made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye-bye.